Did you know the nyala is one of nature's most stylish antelopes? These South African grazers sport shaggy, striped coats and twisted horns, like they're always ready for a runway. And they're not just about looks. Nyalas use those bold stripes as camouflage, blending seamlessly into the dense bush to avoid predators. Male nyalas even have a unique way of showing dominance. They puff up their fur to look bigger and meaner. So next time you see one, remember, it's not just good looking, it's a master of stealth and intimidation.